It's a hard rat life for us. It's a hard rat life for us. When I have to eat all day and I don't know what to say, it's a hard rat life. Rat, what are you doing? Oh, what is going on? I was doing a show. Rat, can I sing with you? No, it's my rat life. You're not a rat. Rat, but I'm a bird. You are a bird and you do have some singing talent. Thank you. I tell jokes too. I do not need jokes. I'm working on songs. I'm trying to be a singing star. Wow, a singing star. That's cool. Hey, isn't this Adam's computer? Oh, wait a minute. You took his computer again. I didn't, you caught me. But let's not tell him. That would be very bad. And he might get. Oh no!
Mr. Rat, I thought we had this discussion before.
Yep, we did. He's not listening. Not listening. Not listening. Okay. Hi.
Hi, Mr. Rat. Are you using my computer again without my permission?
Maybe.
Well, what were you working on? Let's do a little restorative circle on this.
What?
You know, like where three people talk. There's no one really in authority, but you just try to work to make sure that the relationship it stays good.
Okay. Well, I wanted to do some singing. There's a talent show coming and I want it to be awesome.
Okay, there's a talent show coming. You want to be awesome, and you were practicing?
Yep, that's it.
You know that Petri or I could have helped you?
We love that stuff. I should have asked then.
Well, guess what? Thanks a lot for being able to be here and to work on that. That's what a restorative circle is, to be able to come together. Everyone shares their view. Everyone feels heard.
I'm heard. I'm heard now.
And I'm heard. I think next time you really need to ask before you take my computer, though, because otherwise you've done some things in the past that have made me feel like I can't trust you, and I really want to.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey, thanks for apologizing. I forgive you.
Wow, that's cool. Now we're buddies.
You're right. Guess what? If you have things that happen between people or pets or animals, you can have a restorative circle to work together, to talk about what happened, give people a voice to say their view, and then try to work to the way to fix something or repair it. Guess what? Petri, you and I are good.
Cool.
Mr. Rat, you and I are good.
Cool. And me and the bird are okay, I guess. He's not the singer that I am, though. Ha!
He isn't. But you know what? I'm glad you guys can work on it. I think this might be the start of a kind of a cool friendship.
I think so, too. Yeah, you might be right. I don't want to admit it, though, because I'm a rat. And it's a hard rat life.
I know, it is a hard rat life. But I'm glad that you guys are here, and then we can work on these things.
I gotta check on something. Bye.
Okay, all right, he's gone for now.
That went pretty well.
It is. Hey, guess what? When you have restorative circles or chats, it's a great way to try to resolve problems. And that's a good example of kind of what happened. Hey, have an awesome day, and enjoy yourself.
All right, see ya.